Introducing the people that we work with every day. Our staff people are sometimes all over the room and all over the convention, but our CEO, Rodney Shetler, is here, and there's Rodney. You all know Rodney. Our board members, those of you that were at our meeting yesterday, our general meeting yesterday, know that we didn't have any changes, so I'll introduce them very quickly, and they'll stand and remain standing. Pauline Zeal-Grimsrud from Torquay, Arnold Boyko from Watson, Murray Purcell from Saskatoon, Foster Warner from Alameda, Ken McBride from Kindersley, Morse Berry from Caryvale, Blair Cummins from Blucher, Russ Jones from Meadow Lake, and myself, Wayne Black. And this morning we had a reorganizational meeting. Told you yesterday that Mr. Boyko had decided to step down from the executive committee of the board. He's still sitting as a board member. So we had an election this morning. Myself elected again as president. Mr. Warner elected again as the executive member. And very pleased to welcome Ken McBride as our vice president. (2017) was a great year for Municipal Hail. Believe it or not, folks, we once again exceeded our liabilities, $2.3 billion of liabilities this year, and that continues to grow. That's a new record. We've never been in that water before, but it's the second year in a row that we've actually exceeded the $2 billion mark. Slow year for claims. It was a good year for Municipal Hail. We had very few claims last year. About 3,100 claims, which is half of what we would expect. Storm days only 74 in about 219 municipalities. So a lot of municipalities were hit, but not very much hail overall. Our premiums last year were over 93 million, and that's up from previous. But you know, it's not because the rates are going up. In fact, they're going down. It's because we continue to sell more and more hail insurance each and every year. Farmers are recognizing the benefit of carrying more insurance with the ever-increasing cost of production. Our average charge rate again last year went down another 6%. That's 35% reduction in rates since 2010. So you can see where the trend is going there. And it's simply because there hasn't been a lot of hail in the last number of years. We're a market leader, and we'll continue to lower the rates and the surcharges whenever we possibly can. And you should count on some further reduction again in 2018. On the financial side, as a result of the lower hailstorms, we returned a nice amount of money into our reserves, about $38 million. And we use that money to help subsidize the cost of running the operation. This is your company. It's for your benefit. You own the company, and we don't charge more than the cost of the operation. We do not load for profit or expenses. Municipal Hail provides insurance coverage through our three companies up to $750, $250 under SMHI again for the coming year, and that is sold exclusively through your RM office. The other two companies are AMHL and PMHL. AMHL can be bought from your most RM administrators and a few other people as well. PMHL is strictly an online company. You do that through the convenience of your computer right at home. Both those companies are available, and they can give you up to $500 an acre from both those the two companies together. On the service side, we have 125 inspectors in the field, and they all use the tablet. Now we're in about our 6th year of the tablet. It's the envy of the industry, quite frankly, and we're pretty sure that over the next number of years, it's going to be kind of the standard of the whole industry. Others are expressing an interest in looking at the tablet as well. Technology greatly improves our service, our accuracy in the field, and just the speed with which we can adjust claims and make the payments to our insured. As we move into our 102nd year, we continue to run our business on the founding principles, which are to provide hail insurance options, indemnity limits that meet today's needs and provide coverage at the lowest possible cost. Hail is still the biggest risk. Even though it doesn't hail much, we're setting ourselves up for a big boomer here one of these years. And we have losses every year. We can't predict when it's going to hail or where, but we do know it will hail. You can't protect your crop from hail, but you can insure your crop and recover some of the costs of a hailstorm. We've got all the options, we've got the people, the teams in place, everything you need to look after your hail insurance coverage. And when I wrap up, as I wrap up this afternoon, just again take the opportunity to thank SARM for, first of all, allowing us to run our meeting on the first day of the SARM convention. Yesterday we held our meeting. We started at 8 o'clock. We were done at 9:30. Everybody had the opportunity to get back to here for the opening ceremony. So our meeting does not interfere with the SARM convention meeting at all. It just runs in conjunction with it. Last and least, I want to thank the Reeves counselors, administrators, and they're important people. You folks here and your important people are along with your administrators that play a role in making municipal hail the first choice in crop hail insurance. Thank you very much.